Hey, entrepreneurs! Yeah, you right there. Now you see how just using video got your attention. And better yet, how about the attention-grabbing power of a live video call with real people? Well, that's actually what we do. If you want great video calls in an instant that are easy and free to join, super secure, and don't require you to download an app, you have to try Rocket Call. With our popular VIP Pro plan, your communication will be better and your profits will grow faster than ever before. You gotta love that. We're a team of tech and marketing experts and we love helping people connect on a secure video chat or video conference. People have a really short attention span. So the best way to connect and sell your product or service is to present your business to your target audience in a fun and personal way. And you can do that with a simple to join Rocket Call. So, if you're looking for a really great way to connect face-to-face and keep the attention of your customers when you can't meet in person, a video call is the best and most effective way to do that. And we can help you get it done today. So why wait? Sign up now for Rocket Call and supercharge your video calls and your sales.